PCA has been in business since 1992. We provide a range of geo-survey services including land surveys, building surveys and aerial surveys to a large number of both public and private clients. We also provide 3D modelling, legal mapping and arbitration services. We specialise in measuring, mapping and modelling space using a combination of total station, GNSS, GPS, laser scanning and drone photogrammetry. Over the last couple of years, we have been fortunate to work on a number of high-profile contracts, including surveys of the Liffey Quays, the Skellig Michael Lighthouses and the National Library of Ireland. We pride ourselves on providing accurate, detailed and reliable mapping solutions, whatever the job.
In recent years, PCA have invested in the latest in surveying technology. We're the first company in Ireland to use the Leica Pegasus 2 mobile mapping system. This system combines GNSS, IMU and laser scanning all in one compact unit which can be mounted onto any vehicle with a suitable mount such as a roof rack. This allows us to record vast sums of data very rapidly. We've now used it on over 100 kilometres of roadways here in Dublin. This cutting edge technology means that we can bring more efficient and cost-effective solutions to our clients. At PCA, we're always trying to apply the right tool for the job, whether that's mobile mapping solutions for rapid data acquisition or tilt compensated GPS for faster on-the-ground surveying. PCA are always trying to apply the right tool in the right situation. We take the same approach to our terrestrial laser scanning surveys. We use ZebRevo handheld laser scanners for situations where the accuracy will allow and there's more restriction on access. In circumstances like hospitals, clinics, healthcare centres, where it's more important for us to get in and out within a few hours. This is the right tool for this job. Where more detail is required, we might use the Leica BLK360. This is a small, lightweight scanning solution. For high detailed surveys where accuracy is of the utmost importance, we might use the Leica RTC360. This is still a lightweight system, but allows us to record information very accurately. In circumstances where range and accuracy are of the utmost importance, we'll often implement the Leica P series of laser scanners. These scanners have more than 100 metre range and in certain circumstances up to 200 to 300 metre range and 1 kilometre range. Alongside the mobile mapping, topographic and building surveys that we do, PCA are also involved in heritage and conservation surveys. In recent years, we have surveyed some of Ireland's most iconic landmark sites and monuments.
With the latest developments in recent years of drone technology and photogrammetry software, we've been able to complete an entire workflow that allows us to generate high accuracy point clouds for both inaccessible areas and roof surveys. This gives our team in-house the ability to combine both terrestrial laser scan data with drone data and provide a complete solution for our clients. As well as accurate point cloud generation, the drone can also be combined with terrestrial imagery on site. This allows the team to generate high resolution ortho-rectified imagery of facades and buildings, enabling an entire bird's eye view of the site to be seen by our clients, as well as high accuracy and high detailed building facades for inspection.
Using data acquired through both aerial and terrestrial laser scanning, we are able to reconstruct a digital 3D model of any existing building or topographical surface. Thanks to our wide experience in using Revit software and precise measurements on site, we are able to produce coordinated, accurate building models at any given level of detail, from basic constructions to complex architectural, highly detailed facilities. The 3D models provided by PCA can be used for planning further development and reconstruction of the object, and also for presentation purposes, for instance, virtual walkthrough animations.